crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I'm here to share this beautiful little pine cone die set, including the bow from Honeybee Stamps. I had just gotten this from the Cyber Monday sale that they had, and I've seen examples of it from other YouTubers, other crafty YouTubers, and let me tell you, I thought it was cute when I saw it. Now that I have it in, in my hands and actually got to play with it, oh, I'm madly in love with this thing. This is just the most cutest, adorable 3D die set that just really gives your cards or anything that needs an embellishment, whether it's a package like this package. Remember this? The backpack from AliExpress. I could put that on it. You could put this on anything, and even the bow. The bow can work by itself. It doesn't have to be attached to this, so the bow is a year-round thing. And once it starts getting into winter, then you bring this back out, and then it even comes with the leaves. Alrighty, so I decided to make a slimline with Doodlebug Winter Wonderland paper again. This is our card I'm going to send to my friend. If she's watching this video, then she knows this is for her because she loves purple as much as I do. So I decided to make a little purple card. This Mary is a sentiment die set from My Favorite Things. I got it as a freebie. Yay for freebies. So probably with that last set that you saw, the outside the box, it came with it as a freebie. These two snowflakes are the same die, just one is covered up. This is from Simon Says Stamp. This is one of their new little snowflake dies. I really think it's cute. It's an abstract snowflake. Love that. Love that. So I just made a slimline card with it. I write my sentiment on the inside. Alrighty, so let's do a little close-up on the die. First of all, let me show you the die. So this is the die set, and it comes with all these pieces, Lovely Layers Pinecone. Now, this may look like a lot, but no, it's not. It comes together like this. The cardinals, the last video I showed with the cardinals, that takes longer than this. This is real easy. Now, in terms of the pine cone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. All pieces are essential. Maybe that one isn't, but these create the shape of your pine cone. So I'm going to show you. This is a pine cone flat. And do I have any of the pine cone raised? No, I have 2 flats. Oh, because I was making a bunch of pine cones yesterday. And then I also have the 3D where I kind of curled it and I overdid this one. And then I did this one. I was trying to do splatters and all kinds of techniques just to see how it would work. And I also curled it. And that's what I did here. I curled it on the card. See how it's curled? Cute, 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 cute. All right, so let me come back down and focus. There we go. And what I also like about it, comes together super quick. But you do need a little bit of ink just to give it the layers of dimension. It also comes with these little winter foliage, let's call it that. 1, 2, 3, and then the bow. Now, why this bow is just so awesome, I'm going to show you in a second. Compared to my other bow dies, this little bit right there. See those 2 score lines? That gives you a nice straight edge when you're folding. So this is sometimes a problem I do have with bows. When you're putting this middle piece in and you put it over, then all of a sudden it's a little wonky. This helps to keep your, these 2 little lines tell you where your fold is. So it's like having a little score line within the bow, which I think is a really nice addition. Somebody has the same issue I do. Putting together bows, they're like, the middle is not straight, and then you end up sticking a little bit of a gem in it. That's why you notice a lot of my bows have gems in them. Aha! Alrighty, so let me show you how this comes together. So the Lovely Layers Pinecone by Honeybee Stamps, and yes, I will link it below. You can find it at Honeybee themselves, or you can find it at scrapbook.com. Alrighty, so The good thing with this die too, I had already pre-cut this. This is only about 2.5 inches wide, so this definitely can go. I thought that the Gemini Go was a 4-inch opening. The Gemini Go, I think, is only a 3-inch opening, so that Go die machine can't work with the outside the box, but it can work with a bunch of other things. Just saying. So anyway, I took a strip here of 8.5 inch wide cardstock, letter size cardstock, and put the dies down and then ran it through. And then I'm gonna pop them out so you can see all the lovely layers. Yeah, Lovely Layers Pinecone, so it is Lovely Layers. So when you first cut it, and this is just out of craft cardstock, you're gonna get a bunch of pieces like this. And then what you do, I took my Tim Holtz inking tool. I also took Distress Ink Gathered Twigs. So not vintage photo, but gathered twigs. And what I did was just like this, ink the edges. And I did use a craft mat when it came to the blending, but I'm not going to blend on the paper, but I did kind of blend it in too. And then once you ink them all up, you're going to end up with pieces like this. And they do go in order from biggest to smallest. Now, I saw a video where the person started off with this side. I think that's just way too small to control this thing. I start off on the big side. And what you're aiming for is alignment here. Now, you can take a tool, you can use your fingers and curl. I'm just going to use my fingers because I don't have my, I don't have anything here to curl it with. And then you just go across the top, like so. And you line it up here to here and stick it down. What you're looking for is just right there along that ridge. Perfect alignment. Come again, let me see. Oh, let me use a dowel. Maybe a dowel. Yeah. So that gives you a nice little curl. That's a wooden dowel. You can find that in the little, there's a little woodworking section in all 3 stores. Maybe even Walmart. And I'm talking Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and Joann's. They all have wood. See how quickly it comes together? The longest that you take is the ink blending. And then I come across here, boom, like so. I'm going to still fix this glue. It's driving me bonkers. Come here. See how it starts to come together real quick? Now the bow doesn't cover up the whole thing, so you still have to kind of, you know, finish it. I would say finish it all the way up, just in case. And then this part aligns with this little top right there. It aligns with that little hump there. So the edge here will be showing. See, look at that. Isn't that cute? Cute, 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 cute. So glad I got this. And then here's a little top piece. Just put a little dab of glue. Come back down. And you're going again for that middle little area here. Like that. And you are done. So now you have a choice. If you are mailing it and you're concerned about, you know, your envelope, you don't want to pay a ton of postage, go with it flat. It looks good flat, or you can fluff it up a little bit, or you can try and do what I did, which is crazy, but maybe not do all of this. I was just playing with it just to see how far I could take it with ink splatters and all kinds of colors, just to play. And then you pop it on a card, like so. The bow comes together quite easy. And this wasn't even with a hot glue gun. This was just with a dab of glue. And this came together like that. Now, what I did for mine, I took my scissors. There's a little score line here on the bow. I did cut on that score line just to, they give you options with this bow. Like that, I cut it in half. You can take the little legs like so, glue them down, and then stick a bow on top, go all the way up, and there you have it. So I think this die set from Honeybee Stamps, this Lovely Layers Pinecone, is a runaway hit. Awesome, awesome, awesome little die set with very many, you know, there's it looks like a lot of layers, but in actuality not that many, and it comes together very quickly. Alrighty, my friends, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.